Introduction. Make no mistake, Facebook Messenger has revolutionized how marketers can access and grow their audience on Facebook and websites that use many of Facebook's extensions. Please understand that Facebook is not just one platform. It is actually a set of related properties. It also shares key parts of its functionality with third-party websites. By doing so, Facebook extends its reach throughout the rest of the internet. In fact, the Facebook ad network is second to Google's ad network in terms of reach and size. If you want to drive a lot of free traffic to your website, you need to have a coherent Facebook strategy. Now that Facebook has launched Messenger and allowed it to operate with bots, this has presented a tremendous opportunity for online marketers as far as traffic generation and sales recruitment go. In this training, I'm going to teach you how Facebook Messenger works, how you can create bots that will work with Facebook Messenger so you can grow your audience, and most importantly, drive qualified traffic to your website. An FB Messenger bot is a piece of software that uses artificial intelligence to simulate conversations with potential and existing customers. Using FB Messenger bot enables any business to possibly engage some of the 1.3 billion FB Messenger monthly users. By 2018, FB had 300,000 active Messenger bots. This is several times larger than the previous number, and the number of bots is expected to multiply further. What are you doing to take advantage of this great opportunity to automate your engagement with your audience?